A really important thing people can do to support birds is adding water features. Birds require shallow water so they can stand in it to drink and to bathe. So you can start with a really simple tray outside just with 1 inch of water. That will support birds. Or you can go more dramatic and add an architectural feature like a bird bath in your yard, or even do something called a bubbling rock feature where the water comes up from the ground and it bubbles over rocks.
We get blue jays, cardinals, white-winged doves, warblers, hawks occasionally.
Because birds are drawn to the sound of water, you can add an agitator so that the birds will see that moving water and hear it and will be drawn to it. And another side benefit of water is it supports birds, but it's also a good place to watch them.